Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add your business name and tax number on a Booking.com reservation. This is especially useful if you're traveling for work and need an invoice that includes your company details for expense reporting or tax purposes. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Booking.com. Once you're there, use the search bar to type in the city or hotel name where you're planning to stay. This will bring up a list of available properties in that area. Browse through the options, and when you find the property that suits your needs, click on See Availability. This will show you the room types and pricing for your selected dates. Next, choose the room that works best for you and click Reserve. This takes you to the booking details page where you'll enter all the necessary information to complete your reservation. Now, here's the important part. On this page, you'll see a question that asks, "Are you traveling for work?" Go ahead and select Yes. This is the key step that unlocks the business-related fields you need. Once you select Yes, you'll notice new fields appear on the screen. These are specifically for company name and VAC/GST number or tax ID. In the company name field, type in your official business name exactly as it appears on your business registration. This ensures your invoice matches your company records. Then, in the tax number field, enter your valid business tax number. Depending on your country, this might be a VAC number, GST number, or another type of tax ID. Make sure it's accurate, as this will be printed on your invoice. After you've entered your business details, continue filling in the rest of the booking form. This includes guest details like your name and contact information, as well as your payment options. Double-check everything to make sure it's correct before moving forward. Once you're satisfied, complete the booking process. After your reservation is confirmed, save the booking confirmation and invoice that Booking.com provides. Your company name and tax number will be clearly displayed on the invoice, making it easy to submit for expense reimbursement or tax reporting. This streamlined process ensures you have all the documentation you need for business travel without any extra hassle. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.